Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. I have another plant video for you today. If you love plant videos, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll make more for you. Today's video is just on some plants that I recently picked up. A few of them are quite rare and I'm really excited about them. So I'll just get into the video, and I'll also link below my plant playlist if you're interested in more of these types of videos. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy the video. First thing that I'm super excited about is this plant here. This is a Cebu Blue. I don't know if it's rare in your guys' area. I know different areas, different plants are rare, but here where I live, this is a very rare plant. It's hard to find, even though it's in the pothos family, it's still extremely hard to find. So I'm super excited to get this plant, even though it's just a little tiny plant. I hope it'll grow. So for now, it has 4 leaves on it and lots of nodes. And I'm hoping it grows more so I can propagate it and then put more into this pot so it makes a really nice thick plant. But I am so happy to have this. It's beautiful. I love the pattern of the leaves. Next, I have a Hoya Crimson Queen. This is the new growth of it. And the plant is here. So I got this contactless delivery, and I wasn't that happy with it just because there's so many broken leaves, like you can see here. But the seller didn't seem too concerned. She just said to cut them off. So this one's broken, that one's broken, this one's broken. It has some healthy leaves too, and it just arrived like really dirty, so I had to I cleaned it with water, and then it still looked like it had some kind of film on it. So I cleaned it with neem oil just to be safe. So that's the Hoya Crimson Queen. I've only just started adding Hoyas to my collection, but I didn't realize how much I'd like them until I got them. Their leaves are so beautiful. And apparently they flower and the new growth comes from the stem here. So that's this one. Next is another Hoya. This is the Hoya Australis. So this one's actually got quite big leaves. And there's some new growth there on the bottom. And then the leaves are huge. Again, this one looked really dirty. Oh, it hit me in the head. This one looked really dirty when I got it, so I cleaned it with neem oil. And it has some broken leaves as well. And that's the tip of it. I don't know if I like this one that much. It looked nicer in the pictures, but I'll have to wait and see as it grows. It just looks kind of funky, like the growth of it, and it almost looks like the leaves are in different directions here. Like, look. So I'm not too sure about that. I might let it grow and then propagate it there where the leaves are backwards. Let me know what you guys think. But I wasn't too, this was my first time getting curbside pickup from this one place, and I wasn't too impressed with it at all. So I don't think I'll order there again, but I found another place that I really like. So at least I found one good place. Next is a propagation. So string of hearts. And you can see the leaves are growing. There's new growth here on the ends. And beautiful little leaves. Heart-shaped leaves. So this was one strand, and I've propagated it all in here. I have some propagating in water right now. They're rooting really well. And I put these ones just into soil to try it out and see how it works. And then I'm just going to keep growing it and propagating it into here so that it becomes a really thick plant. But I just can't get over how pretty the leaves are. Like, they're green And then purple on the other side, like little hearts. They're so pretty. So I love this plant. This is another plant that I've been wanting to get for a long time as well. Next is another Hoya. This is the green Carnosa Hoya. And this one's pretty healthy looking. When the quarantine's over and you can go shopping in person again, I want to get like a nice trellis for this. And also I want to get some moss pools for my other plants. So this is what it looks like. Again, the top of the leaves are all broken, and that's from that same seller. So let me know down below, have you guys gotten plants from sellers before, and were they in tip-top shape, or were some of your leaves broken as well? Is that normal? Like, I'm not sure. I just know the other place that I ordered from, everything arrived so beautifully. It looked like art, like everything was so perfect. So I only ordered from another place because they had different varieties of plants. I think I'll just go back to the original place that I really liked. And this looks like it has nodes all on it. You can see there. I want to focus. So this one's actually quite a healthy looking plant, and there looks like there's two, maybe even a third plant growing in there. So that was nice. Lastly is an all-time favorite for me. This plant is really rare in my area as well. I don't know if it is in your guys's, but let me know underneath. This is a Philodendron Mikan. Just a small cutting of it. It's got velvety leaves. And that's this one. It's so beautiful. So it's got two leaves, and then there's a new one starting here, which I'm really excited about. Just a beautiful plant. So this is really rare in my area again, so I was really happy to get this, even though it's just such a small cutting. I can't wait to see it grow. I've noticed I'm really liking philodendrons, pothos, Hoyas, and monsteras lately. Those seem to be my favorite. I really like snake plants too, actually. So let me know underneath, what have you guys recently picked up for plants? What are your care tips? Anything you'd like to chat about plants? I'd love to know. Where are you guys ordering from now, if anywhere? And thank you so much for watching. Take care. Love you guys, and see you in my next video. Bye, guys.